Alright, what's going on? It's been a while. Just been busy. Went to a couple car shows. And it's hard to videotape at a car show because they play music in the background, and YouTube don't like that when you got music in the background. They want to block your videos. So, anyway, here's one I did a coating on. I'm going to be here to pick it up here in a little bit. Been playing around someone gave me some 5-year to play with, and they bought it. I put it on. So I usually got some stuff I buy from somebody else, but they gave it to me. I tried it, so it don't look too bad. Still playing with it. It don't look too bad. I usually buy my stuff from somebody else, but one of my customers handed it to me and wanted me to try it, so they paid me to put it on, so I did it. So there it is. It's like supposed to be a 5-year protection from Jack's Wax, I think is where it's from. It don't look too bad. Don't look bad at all. Definitely different. Like I said, he gave it to me and I tried it. He wanted me to put it on his vehicle, so you don't tell him no. They're good friends and good customers, so I did it. Alright. Clean the inside up a little bit. It wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad. Alright, well, all I got for now. Car show season about over for me. Start working weekends for a while. So work full-time job and clean cars on the side. So I'm always busy doing something. Got a little project over there I gotta start on sometime. Get it going. Alright, talk to you guys later.